Hi there, can you tell me who you are?
Jalen Thomas.
What was that again?
Jalen Thomas.
Jalen Thomas? Okay, and who's with you here today?
My grandmother, Louise Werner.
Hi, grandmother. How are
Hi.
you? Now, you didn't buy the car, did you?
No.
No, your grandmother did, but she says she's going to let you do the spin of the lucky wheel.
Uh-huh.
Okay? You ready to go, honey?
She is.
Yes.
You ready to go?
All right, go ahead. Give it a good spin.
Good spin.
Yeah, that's a good spin.
Good spin.
Let's see what you got.
Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. Nice. Nice.
Gift card.
There you
Very
go.
good. Very good.
Yay.
All right, I'm not sure what it's for, but we'll get it, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it very much.
All right.
Okay? Very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi there. Can you tell me who you are?
Louise Werner,
Louise, where are you from?
Southwest Philly.
Southwest Philly. Oh, that's right. You told me that earlier. You're down near the airport, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Very good. And today you're with me at B&B Automotive in Fairless Hills.
Yes.
And it's not your first time here.
No, it's not.
Tell me about it.
4 years ago, we purchased a car, a Grand Am, and had trouble with it. Came back, and they swapped us out into an '04 Chevy Venture, and we're now trading that one in for a 2012 Kia.
Oh, excellent. So you're getting upgraded.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the way it works here. You make all your payments, and your credit score improves, and you know, and you're due for an upgrade.
In another one.
Okay. That's terrific. And you were telling me before we turned the camera on that you need a van because of all the people you're hauling
All
around.
the grandkids, yeah.
All the grandkids.
The grandkids, yeah.
Yeah, that's great. How many of those?
Oh, well, I basically take care of 3 of them.
Okay.
So,
Well, we're very happy to have you back as a customer, and
Thank you.
appreciate you coming back, and appreciate you giving us a little time here
Thank
today.
you.
And we'll see you on Facebook, all right?
thank you.
All right, thank you.